In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to use Framer overrides effectively. First, let's get your Framer project set up. If you already have one open, navigate to the Assets panel located on the left side of your screen. If you spot the plus icon next to the code label, that's exactly what you need to click Next. Why the plus icon, you ask? Well, we're creating something new within the project. Specifically, we're creating a new override. When you click on this icon, you'll need to select the new override option. Now comes another crucial step, giving your new override a name, which you need to do in the dialog box, which appears after you've selected New Override. Once you've filled in a suitable name, go ahead and hit the Create button. You've done it. Now, a new override file has been generated and will open up in the code editor. This is where the real fun begins. It's your chance to flex your JavaScript or TypeScript muscles. It's here that you'll write custom code to define how your override will function. In case you're wondering what a basic override looks like, it's essentially a function that accepts a component as input and returns a modified version of that component as output. Once you've deftly crafted your code, the next course of action is to save your masterpiece. Click on Save and subsequently close the code editor. You've successfully created your first override, but we're not done yet. Now, it's time to apply this override to a layer. This could be any layer on your canvas, like a frame, a component, or even a group. Choose what suits your vision best. Once you've selected the layer that you'd like to modify, turn your attention to the Properties panel, which should be on the right side of your canvas. Delve into this panel and look for the section that's labeled Code Overrides. Clicking on the plus icon within this panel lets you select the override file you've just created. Not only that, but you can also pick the specific function from that file you'd like to apply to the layer. The stage is all set. All that's left to do now is to hit the Preview button. You'll instantly see your override in action, modifying the layer just as you wished. This is Framer Overrides for you, a powerful tool to augment and personalize your designs. With a bit of practice, you'll be a pro in tailoring overrides to your exact needs. Tune in for more tutorials where we dive deeper into the world of Framer. Until then, happy designing!